Bourdet was already responsible for one of Paris's most famous buildings, the Palais de Trocadéro. Bourdet designed the innovative work with architect Gabriel Devieux for the 1878 exposition. Flanked by two 264...
Androscoggin County officials have issued a county-wide shelter-in-place order. Please make sure your homes and vehicles are secured. Updates from officials will be forthcoming.
No other place where you could see Paris from such a height. As simple as that.
The construction of this palace made Bourdet a celebrity.
He was rewarded and showered with honors. And he was known not only in France, but internationally.
And the orders poured in for Bourdet. The press articles. He was acclaimed everywhere.
So not only was he well connected, he was also linked to a number of important families and even major financiers. So he was on the
Now, Jules Bourdet would be the first to reach 1,000 feet. When the World's Fair was announced, he already had design ready for construction. He envisioned a stone tower topped by a lighthouse with light up the city of Paris at night. Goes out for months to know where Bourdet was attempting to reach 1,000 feet. As an engineer, was surely intrigued by the challenge. At 25 feet, the theory was first read while overseeing the construction of Europe's longest bridge, the 1,600-foot Bordeaux Bridge.
He'd had some outstanding achievements, which had made headlines for their inventiveness and innovation.
From